Welcome to our channel. Activating the Uverse streaming app on your smart TV lets you enjoy your favorite shows on the big screen. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store. This might be called Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, Roku Channel Store, or something similar depending on your TV brand. Step 2. Search for the Uverse app in the App Store. Type Uverse or AT&T Uverse in the search bar. Step 3. Download and install the Uverse app on your smart TV. Select the app from the search results and click Install or Add. Step 4. Open the Uverse app once the installation is complete. You'll find it in your list of installed apps on your TV's home screen. Step 5. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible while you complete the next steps. Step 6. On your computer or smartphone, visit the AT&T activation website shown on your TV. The URL is typically displayed along with the activation code. Step 7. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the website. Sign in with your AT&T Uverse account credentials if prompted. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message on both your TV and the website. Your Uverse app should automatically refresh and be ready to stream content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.